Ever spent hours editing a YouTube video just to get some views and zero subs? What if I told you there's a faster, smarter way, no camera, no mic, no editing, and it only takes 5 minutes using AI? Hey, I'm Petter from Petter AI Hustle. And if you're into AI tools that save time and help you make real money online, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell watch until the end. Because one small tweak at the final step can literally double your reach and earnings.
Do you believe it's possible to create 30 professional Facebook and Instagram posts in just 10 minutes? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I do it using Monica AI, and you'll see just how fast it really is. Quick intro to Monica AI. Monica AI is an all-in-one assistant that can write content, translate, summarize documents, and most importantly, generate social media posts in seconds. It's perfect for influencers, small business owners, or anyone who wants to save serious time on content creation. Live demo. Step 1. Open Monica AI and select the Social Media Post tool. Step 2. Type in your request. Write 30 Facebook and Instagram posts promoting a women's fashion brand, fun and youthful tone with hashtags. Step 3. Choose your language, hit generate, and in just a few seconds, Monica delivers 30 ready-to-use posts complete with titles, captions, and hashtags. Optimizing for influencers and businesses. If you're an influencer, add your personal touch or share a bit of your story in the captions. If you're a business, tweak the call to action to encourage purchases or inquiries. This way, you can keep your brand's voice while cutting content creation by up to 90%. Closing and CTA. So there you have it. 30 Facebook and Instagram posts done in just 10 minutes. If you want to try Monica AI for yourself, I've dropped a link in the description. And if you love tips on making money and streamlining your work with AI, don't forget to subscribe to Petter AI Hustle for more videos like this.
If you're ready to build your faceless YouTube channel and let AI do the heavy lifting, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for more walkthroughs like this. In my next video, I'm comparing
This AI
to another viral AI tool that completely failed on me. So don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.